Did you know how complicated it is to test the electronic control units in a car? Each unit has to be tested individually and also in combination with other units. This results in a massive library of test cases for just one unit. Currently, these test cases are authored by multiple test case developers across the world without a standard development practice. Meet Mite, Navtech's integrated test editing platform. ECU Tester's one-stop solution for design, realization, execution, and evaluation of test cases. Mite also generates elaborate and intuitive infographic test reports. Let's see how a test case developer authors a test case for a new feature in the rear view camera. The developer first imports the test suite of the rear view camera from PTC Integrity, then goes to the configuration window and imports the input description database. This gives the author intuitive access to possible parameters the user might use during test case authoring, ensuring the standard practice of naming conventions and variable values. After configuration, the test case developer begins to create a new test case for a new feature. In this case, it is called Camera Ajar Warning Status. The test case developer begins the test case by adding preconditions, test actions, and expected values, using a predefined set of actions, free text, and parameters. All the parameters used in the test case will be fetched and populated in the parameter window. Any new input defined by the user for this test case will be saved away in the parameters database. The parameters follow Mite's naming convention guidelines enabling standardization. Once the user is satisfied with the test case, it is checked into PTC. Finally, the test suite is released. The test engineer can import the test suite, enter the test script view, and add test bench configuration files to support test script generation. The tool allows custom inputs to the script without changing the test case. Once the test scripts are successfully generated, the tester can add them to the test session and run the test. A standardized comprehensive test report gets generated for each test case. Mite also generates quality, test time, and test coverage related metrics. This gives a clear picture of the system's current status and helps in planning further. All the test reports can be checked into PTC. Mite is a singular tool for all testing activities. It organizes the test artifacts with links and naming conventions to achieve standardization and traceability. It generates scripts automatically, so reduces development effort. Standardized scripts can be reused across multi-vendor test benches. Mite seamlessly integrates with test management tools, test execution tools, and other testing environment. User-friendly graphic user interface allows efficient testing of both ECU hardware and software with a minimal effort in training. Mite's modular design enables additional intelligence to be layered over the current functionality. Our technical team plans to add data analytics and backend intelligence to suggest test cases that might have been missed by engineers. This capacity can aim for 100% test coverage of any ECU. Mite's UI is designed keeping Magna's current testing environment in mind, as Navtech's team already provides testing services. We understand the process pain points and standardization opportunity that could dramatically increase efficiency. Magna has a culture of supporting innovative thinkers across the globe. They foster open collaboration, so Navtech's Mite fits right in. It is innovation in test process automation of electronic control units.